Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are talking about grey haircut ideas for women over 50. Grey hair is natural, elegant and very trendy these days. You don't need to hide it. You can style it and look absolutely amazing. Let's explore some simple and stylish haircut ideas. First we have the short pixie cut. This haircut is very easy to manage and perfect for busy women. It gives a fresh, modern and confident look. Grey hair in a pixie cut looks very stylish and bold. Next is the classic bob haircut. This is a very popular and timeless style. It looks neat, clean and elegant. You can keep it straight or add soft waves for a more graceful look. Another great option is the layered haircut. Layers add volume and moment to your hair. If your hair feels thin, this is perfect choice. It gives a soft and natural style that looks beautiful with grey hair. Now let's talk about the shoulder length haircut. This is ideal if you don't want very short hair. It is easy to manage and very versatile. You can leave it straight, curl it or tie it easily. A very trendy idea is the grey hair with soft waves. This look is simple but very elegant. Soft waves make your hair look fuller and more stylish. It is perfect for both daily wear and special occasions. Another lovely style is the long layered haircut. If you love long hair, you don't have to cut it short. Add layers to give it shape and volume. Grey long hair can look very classy and beautiful. You can also try the short shag haircut. This is a modern and relaxed hairstyle. It gives a little messy but stylish look. Very easy to maintain and perfect for a casual style. Don't forget about side bangs. They can make your face look softer and younger. Bangs are a small change but can make a big difference. For special events, you can go for a simple bun or updo. It looks neat, clean, elegant and perfect for weddings or parties. Also take care of your hair. Use good shampoo. Trim your hair regularly and keep it healthy and shiny. Keep visiting my channel for more designs and more ideas. You can see my ideas, you can enjoy my videos. You can visit my channel and see more collection about women fashion. So these were some easy and stylish grey haircut ideas for women over 50. I hope you liked these videos, ideas and found inspiration for your next look. Please friends, subscribe my channel and not forget to press the bell icon. By pressing the bell icon, you will get all the notifications of my channel and my latest uploading videos. Thanks for watching. See you again. Allah Hafiz.